Dude, you have to wait. That's fucking bullshit, man.
Getting by is always on my mind, always on my mind. This safety takes worth. Getting by is always on my mind, always on my mind. This safety takes worth. So these fuckers got me fooled twice, but me on ice. This safety takes worth. Getting by is always on my mind.
Fuck that, I'll just get a tan instead.
So let me give you an example, it's simple. My body's not a temple, it's a vessel in distress. It's simply floating in a void you can't avoid. Still annoyed and destroyed, paranoid, calling Dr. Freud. Can you tell me what's so wrong about being unemployed? I'm trying to belong, but I'm a fucking humanoid, resembling human form, mimicking the norm, following the swarm, still pounding corn while I'm filling out the form. It's always on my mind. Getting by is always on my mind. Getting by is always on my mind.
Fuck that, I'll just get a tan instead.
I want a panic slider and I'm not a dust biter. It was close to one time, but I guess I am a fighter yet. I was suicidal as a kid, turning 11, and it almost fucking cost me my sweet 27. I guess it's just a number, just like any other, but I keep getting dumber, never woke from that slumber. Well, life is just a game of fortune and fame. The ones who take the blame are the ones to stay sane. To me it's all the same, I conquered and I came, but I saw it was a shame, cause it was all in vain. It's always on my mind. Getting by is always on my mind. Getting by is always on my mind. Getting by is always on my mind. Some might say the life is too short to worry. It gets even shorter if you're in a hurry. Well, time is money and I guess you're on the clock, but I got plenty of time, so I am rich as fuck. Getting by is always on my mind. Getting by is always on my mind. Getting by is always on my mind. Getting by is always on my mind.
Getting by is always on my mind, always on my mind. This safety takes worth. Getting by is always on my mind, always on my mind. This safety takes worth. So these fuckers got me fooled twice, put me on ice. This safety takes worth. Getting by is always on my mind, always on my mind. This safety takes worth. This safety takes worth.